Okay, hello guys, it's me, teacher Gabo, and today we are going to start with the unit number 12, that is consequences. Okay? Well, in the morning I shared with you a short article, yes, remember, in the WhatsApp group? Yes? And in that article you have specific words of vocabulary. Okay? So investigate the meanings of the words, because today we are going to start with something related to the unit number 12, that is conditionals. Okay? For this time, I am going to show you the conditional type 0 and the conditional type 1. Exist 4 different conditionals, but for this moment is only the conditional type 0 and 1. Okay? Let's start with the conditional type 0. Okay? The conditional type 0, okay, is an always true situation. Okay? What is real for you is real for everybody. Yes? This is related to the physics law. Yes? I explain. For example, let me show you. Okay? With this picture, yes, okay. In this picture, you have this action. You are heating water, okay. So let me show you, okay. Let me show you. Okay, the conditionals have 2 parts. The first part is an action. You do something. This is your action. Okay, what is your action in this part? Okay, in this case, you heat water. Okay? This is your action. Yes? Now, in conditionals we have 2 parts. I told you we have an action, this part, yes? Your action is that you heat water, and then the second part is that you have a reaction. Okay, let me show you. When you heat water, yes, when you heat water in the stove, in the microwave, yes, what happens to the water? That's very simple. Okay, when you heat water, the water boils. Okay? So, in this case, this part is your reaction. Okay? Okay? So, this case, in the conditional type 0, remember, it's an always true situation. What is real for you is real for the rest of the people. Yes? Conditionals have 2 particles, have 2 elements, have 2 parts in the sentence. Yes? The first part is an action. The second part is a reaction. Yes? What is your action? Your action is that you heat water. What is the reaction? So, we say that the water boils. Okay? Now, to create a sentence using the conditional type 0, it is necessary a conditional word. You can use 3 different conditional words here, okay? The most popular is the word if, that in Spanish means si, okay? Other word that is a synonym of this word, yes? Can you show? Yes, you can see this part, okay? Is the word whether, yes? And finally, the word when, okay? These are 3 words that you can use to start your conditional. These are conditional words, yes? And then, the conditional type 0 contains 2 elements. The first is your action, the second is your reaction. Your action, okay, must contain a sentence in the present simple tense. And then, your reaction, yes, must contain one more time a present simple sentence tense. And this is real because in your house you can do this experiment, yes. And when you put water on the oven, on the stove, or in the microwave, okay. So when you heat water, the water boils, okay. And then finally, to create a sentence with the conditional type 0, is necessary one word: the word if, whether, or when. Okay, in this case, I am very used to use the word if. If, what is my action? My action is if you heat water. Okay, if you heat water, what happens? Okay, what is next? What is the reaction? The reaction is the water boils. Yes? Okay, this is just one example. Let me show you other example. Okay? Let me show you with other example. Now, in this example, I have a similar example, okay? Why? Because it's something familiar, okay? Something that you can do in your houses, okay? For example, the next is my action, okay? What is the action? Is this, that you put some water in the freezer, okay? This is your action. You put water in the freezer. Okay? Okay? So we say, I put some water. Oh gosh. Give me a moment. I put some water in the freezer. Okay? So, this is very obvious, okay? When you put some water in the freezer, what is next? What is going to happen to the water? Okay? It's very simple. The water turns into ice. Yes? Oh, wait, one moment. Okay, so let me paste it. Your reaction is that the water turns into ice. Okay? So, in this case, I have already my action and my reaction. Okay? So, to create a sentence using the conditional type 0, yes, is. Now, I use a different conditional word. I use the word when. Okay? Oh God, I know what is happening. Give me one moment, guys. Okay? Because the whiteboard is slippery. Okay? But I explain while this is slippery. Okay? So it happens this. Okay? I say when, okay, when I put some water in the freezer, yes, this is my action. This is my conditional word. When, this is my action. I put some water in the freezer, what happens to the water? Okay, the water turns into ice. Okay? So this is the conditional type 0. Okay? In a moment, I am going to explain the conditional type 1. But you have an exercise. Okay? Listen, in a Word document, okay? Yes, in a Word document, you are going to create, okay, 3 sentences similar like this. Yes, but the idea is that you put a picture, for example like this, I have my picture and I have the other picture, the picture of your action and the picture of your reaction. Yes? And then in the down part, for example like this, okay, I write my sentence. So, in this case is your picture, yes, your other picture, your picture of your action, the picture of your reaction, yes, the picture of your action, the picture of your reaction, and then in this part, your sentence, okay? 3 sentences like this. If you have questions, ask in the group.